how to make a Tokyo iced tea cocktail. G'day there drinking buddies, it's Scotty Boxer here for DrinkLab.org, your home to thousands of free cocktail recipes. This here is the Tokyo iced tea. If you love the iced tea but want something a little bit sweeter, then this is the cocktail for you. And this is how to make it. You'll need 3/4 an ounce of vodka, 3/4 an ounce of gin, 3/4 an ounce of white rum, 3/4 an ounce of tequila, 3/4 an ounce of melon liqueur, 3/4 an ounce of sour mix, and some lemon lime soda. In a cocktail shaker with ice, pour in your vodka, white rum, gin, melon liqueur, tequila, simple syrup, and shake until cool, then strain into a highball glass with ice. And top with lemon lime soda and garnish with a lime. And there you have it, the Tokyo iced tea. If you love your sweet drinks, then this one is perfect for you. Now if you want more cocktail recipes just like this one, head on over to our website, DrinkLab.org, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and I will see you next time.